Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, you are already using the mask and you are sanitizing your hands. Okay, and you are washing your hands time to time with a hand wash. Okay, children. So these are the safety rules which we have to follow to prevent from the coronavirus. Okay, so this is the rule, so we have to follow that strictly. Okay, children, so today we are going to, so children, I welcome you back to our online class and we are going to read about
nature. See here, nature is our best friend. Nature is our best friend. Nature means what, children? प्रकृति. ओके, जो हम हमारे सराउंडिंग देखते हैं. ओके, सो ये जो वन, ये जो पहाड़, ये जो माउंटेन है, ये जो रिवर्स है, लेक है, ओशन है, सी है, ये क्या है चिल्ड्रन? बताओ. इतना पेड़ पौधा, पहाड़, पर्वत है ना, बहुत सुंदर सुंदर दिखता है ना. हवा बहता है, समंदर आप गए होंगे, है ना, तो समंदर में पानी जोर से आवाज़ करके आता है. सो ये सब क्या है? दैट इज़ ओनली नेचर. एंड नेचर इज आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड बिकॉज इट हैज़ गिवन अस मैनी थिंग्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, जैसे कि ट्री हमें क्या देता है? ट्री हमें छाँव देता है. यस और नो? दे गिव्स अस shade. Okay, they gives us fruits, vegetables. Okay, they gives us main oxygen which we breathe in. Yes or no? So they gives us many things like that. From river we get water. Yes or no? From mountain also, and from forest, from desert, from lake. So many things we used to see and we are going to know. So children, nature is our best friend because it has given us many things and the gifts of nature have made our earth look beautiful. हमारा पृथ्वी को, हमारा अर्थ को बहुत सुंदर बनाता है कौन? नेचर. सो नेचर इज द गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड. भगवान का हमारे लिए ये एक गिफ्ट है, नेचर. एंड नेचर इज अवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट्स गो. व्हाट आर द थिंग ऑफ नेचर? See here children, mountain. This is mountain, pahad. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Now river, RIVER, river. River means nadi. It is also a beautiful gift of nature. It is for us only. Yes or no children? So RIVER, river. Now FOREST, forest. FOREST, forest means jungle, बहुत घना जंगल. Yes or no? Now lake, LAKE, lake. Okay, ये भी एक waterfall है. Now sea, SEAC. Okay, sea means समंदर, SEAC, which gives us water only. Now desert, DESERT, desert. Desert means कहाँ है? Third desert is the largest desert. Okay, so desert means रेगिस्तान. Okay, so these are the gift of nature. So see your exercise part. Okay, name 4 gifts of nature. It is given in oral question and in written question also. You have to write it in your book, in your copy. Okay, name 6th gift of nature which is in your book and which we have read now. Okay children, so this is your exercise work and your homework also. Click it and send me. Thank you.